there's an upper denture that goes with this. He has lost all of these teeth on the lower, and so instead of making him buy an entirely new denture, I'm just going to add 2 teeth here, 2 teeth here, and convert this into his denture. Okay, so I did an impression, a little laboratory putty here in those holes where those teeth are going to go, and then just a little impression material here in the patient's mouth. I have that poured up. Okay, so here is that lower partial on top of the model with that impression in there from having that lab putty and that impression material around that. Great capturing of all of that. So now I'm going to shape and put 2 teeth here and 2 teeth here, and I will show you the finished product when I'm finished. Okay, so I have removed those clasps on the front of the partial, and I have put these teeth in there, and now it's all in wax right now, so now I will process it into acrylic. So there's the back of that partial, and that'll be all smooth when I'm done. But here is this tooth, this tooth, this tooth, and this tooth.